How to link a Facebook group to a Facebook page. Hello everybody. In order to do so, you may follow up these methods. So you may open up your Facebook, and the thing is you may go ahead and log in into your Facebook page. If not, you may tap on the menu bar at the top right. After that, switch to your Facebook page. Once you've switched up to your Facebook page, you should be finding this menu. Now from the given menu, in order to join your own Facebook group, all you gotta do is simply locate up the group. For that, tap on groups from this menu. And then from after tapping on groups, here it will show you suggestions of the group. So all you gotta do is, if you want to join your own group, tap on the plus icon at the top right, or you can tap on the search bar at the top. After that, go ahead and type in, copy and paste the group of your Facebook group that you're trying to join. For example, this is the group I would like to join. So go ahead and tap on the group. And then after that, you may tap on join group. So if the group is private, what you need to do is wait for the approval. But if it is not, you can directly join it. This is a group I have created by my own. So that's it. That is how you basically link up your Facebook group to your Facebook page. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. And we will see you on the next video.